వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్. రాజ్యసభలో స్పీకర్ వెంకయ్యనాయుడు మాట్లాడుతున్న లైవ్లో చూద్దాం.
Otherwise, now the discussion on the motion of thanks to the President address was given 10 hours. This is the BSc meeting. General discussion on Union budget for 2021, 10 hours. Consideration passing of the following bills: National Capital Territory of Delhi laws to replace an ordinance, 1 hour. Jammu and Kashmir reorganization bill to replace an ordinance, 2 hours. National Commission for Air Quality Management in Capital Region and adjoining areas bill 2021 to replace ordinance, 2 hours. The arbitration and consideration amendment bill 2021 to replace an ordinance, 2 hours. The committee also recommended the House may sit on Saturday, the 13th February 2021 instead of Monday, the 15th February 2021 to conclude the general discussion on the budget for 2021-22 and other business, and the sitting of the House scheduled on Monday, 15th February may be cancelled. That was the general request by members, and accordingly it was accepted. Members, letters have been received from the following members for grant of leave of absence during the first part of the current 253 session of Rajya Sabha. Sri Revati Raman Singh, Dr. Narendra Jadhav, Sri Ripun Bora. Sri Revati Raman Singh and Dr. Narendra Jadhav have sought the leave of absence on medical ground, while Sri Ripun Bora has sought leave of absence for personal reasons. Do they have the permission of the House for remaining absent from 29th January onwards? Okay, the permission to remain absent is granted. Papers to be laid on the table. Sri Muralidharan. V. Muralidharan.
Permission, on behalf of my colleagues, Sri Shripad Yeso Naik, Sri Rajkumar Singh, Sri Ashwini Kumar Chaube, and Sri Anurag Singh Thakur, I lay on the table of the House the papers listed against their names from serial numbers 1 to 4, respectively in today's revised list of business.
Shripad Yeso Naik, for information, was met with a very serious accident, and he had multiple fractures, and he was admitted to hospital, and I have been there and then inquired about his well-being. He is recovering fast. Reports of the Department Related to Parliamentary Standing Committee on Education, Women, Children and Youth and Sports. Dr. Vinay Sahasrabudhe.
And 319, 28, 21st and 22nd reports, which are about the action taken notes on demand for grants for respective departments under the Ministries of Education, Women, Children, Youth and Sports. The earlier name of the committee was Human Resource Development. Thank you very much.
Reports of the Department Related to Standing Committee on Health and Family Welfare. Professor Ram Gopal Yadav.
में विभाग संबंधित स्वास्थ्य और परिवार कल्याण संबंधी संसदीय स्थायी समिति के निम्नलिखित प्रतिवेदनों की एक एक प्रति अंग्रेजी तथा हिंदी में प्रस्तुत करता हूँ। नंबर 1, भारतीय खाद्य सुरक्षा और मानक प्राधिकरण FSSAI के कार्यक्रम के संबंध में इसके 110वें प्रतिवेदन में अंतर्विष्ट सिफारिशों समितियों के बारे में सरकार द्वारा की गई कार्रवाई से संबंधित 121वां प्रतिवेदन। 2, आयुष मंत्रालय की अनुदान मांगों 2020-21 मांग संख्या 4 के संबंध में इसके 120वें प्रतिवेदन में अंतर्विष्ट सिफारिशों समितियों के बारे में सरकार द्वारा की गई कार्रवाई से संबंधित 122वां प्रतिवेदन। 3, कोविड-19 महामारी के प्रकोप और इसके प्रबंधन से संबंधित 123वां प्रतिवेदन। और 4, स्वास्थ्य अनुसंधान विभाग, स्वास्थ्य और परिवार कल्याण मंत्रालय की अनुदान मांगों 20-21 मांग संख्या 43 के संबंध में इसके 119वें प्रतिवेदन में अंतर्विष्ट सिफारिशों समितियों के बारे में सरकार द्वारा की गई सरकार कार्रवाई के संबंध से संबंधित 124वां प्रतिवेदन।
धन्यवाद रामगोपाल जी. But we have seen that health committee is by and large is trying to adhere to the schedule, and then they have been presenting reports from time to time. Reports of the Department related to Parliamentary Standing Committee on Home Affairs. Sri Anand Sharma.
Sir, I rise to present the following 4 reports in English and Hindi of the Department related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Home Affairs. 226 report on action taken by the government on the recommendations and observations contained in the 24th report on demand for grants for 2020-21 of the Ministry of Home Affairs. Second, 227th report on action taken by the government on the recommendations and observations contained in the 225th report on demand for grants 2020-21 of the Ministry of Development of Northeastern Region. 228th report on action taken by the government on the recommendations and observations contained in the 222nd report on the management of worsening traffic situation in Delhi. And fourth, 229th report on the management of COVID-19 pandemic and related issues.
Thank you, Anand Sharma ji. I hope that members might have gone through the report of the Home Committee, particularly with regard to this pandemic and also the actions of the state and central government involved. It's very, very interesting and very objective. I hope the members will avail this opportunity to go through the reports of the committee because very relevant and the reports of the Department Head Parliamentary Standing Committee on Coal and Steel, Dr. Vikas Mahatme. Please,
Sir, with your kind permission, I lay on the table the 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th and 15th reports, Hindi and English versions of the Standing Committee on Coal and Steel listed against my name in today's list of business. These reports were presented to the Honorable Speaker on 9th September 2020 when the House was not in the session. Honorable Speaker had permitted printing, publication and circulation of these reports under Rule 280. These reports were also placed before Honorable Chairman Rajya Sabha for his perusal.
आपने कहा स्पीकर
This was Lok Sabha.
Okay. Reports of the Public Accounts Committee. Sri Bhupendra Yadav.
Sir, I rise to lay on the table a copy of each in English and Hindi. The report of Public Accounts Committee listed against my name at serial number 1, 2, 3 in today's list of business.
Statement of the Public Accounts Committee. Sri Bhupendra Yadav.
Sir, I rise to lay on the table a copy of in Hindi and English of the statement showing the action taken by the government on observation recommendation contained in the action taken report of Public Accounts Committee listed against my name at serial number 1 to 26 in today's list of business.
0 over Sri Ayodhya Ram Reddy. Sri Tiruchi Siva.
Need by the government to
Please.
look at consideration. That is the notice, sir, we have given.
Yeah. The honorable members, I have received a notice from Sri Ghulam Nabi Azad ji and also Sri Tiruchi Siva, then Sri Sukendra Sekhar Rai, Sri Elmaram Karim, and also Sri Vinay Viswam and Sri Jha, Ashok Siddhartha ji from SP. I have gone through the notice and then that is a rule under 267 seeking suspension of business listed for the day as to discuss the ongoing campaign of farmers in the agitation of farmers in the outskirts of Delhi against the 3 farm laws passed by Parliament. The members who gave notice are highlighted the need to resolve the issue in national interest. I understand the concern of the